Welcome to Salana Crossroads, Day 2 in Istanbul, Turkey. And today we dive into the hottest stars, game-changing projects, and the brilliant minds building the future on the Solana blockchain. So whether you're crypto curious or a full on-chain warrior, pull up a chair because at this crossroads, everyone's invited. So join me as we take over and check out this event. Let's go. What do you think is the future of money?
The future of money? Well, that's a good question. I like that question. The truth is, it's already digital money. So for all my normie friends, hello, I understand your world. This looks weird. We're in this futuristic conference, but your money's already digital. It's in your bank. It's already digital. The difference is that you don't have true control of your money if it's in the bank. So I think that soon you'll really understand what it's like to have digital cash, and the only way that you can have that is if you're using blockchain technology. So that to me is an inevitable future. Call me bullish, but that's just how I feel.
The future of money is decentralization and speed and security.
I believe, yeah, of course money is the main use case as for now for Web3, but money is like a blood for any organism, and there is much more other organs in any organism, and of course money will be blood to incentivize all players and human players and also AI agents in this industry. And future will be that everything will be built on top of money, but money will not be only use case in Web3. This will be just core function, and that's all.
The future of money is going to be on-chain. For sure, I know a lot of people say that.
Everything will be digital.
Describe Salana Crossroads in 3 words. Let's go.
Open, builder-oriented, and beautiful.
Salana Crossroads in 3 words is future, builders, mobile.
Community, developers, fun.
Consumer applications, and really just seeing all the different use cases for end users is great. The second thing I think is it's for internet capital markets. I think Solana is definitely the platform on which people are going to come to do all types of different investing and trading. And then I think the final thing when I think about an event like this is just global.
I can describe it in one.
Okay.
Vibrant. Vibrant. This is the word.
And that's it for Solana Crossroads, Day 2 here in Istanbul, Turkey. Once again, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to all our social media platforms, PinoyWeb3.tv. This is me, Krista, 2 moons, 2 moons, 2 moons, to the moon. Stand by for the next episode of FOMO, the future of money. Which country are we going next?